bottom menu. So this one, you don't need to think. This one I think that's old technology. Because this one is drag drop. You click also nothing. Only here. So always when you want to see your system, subsystem, your equipment, it's all sit under here hierarchy. Okay, hierarchy and register. Okay. Okay. Hierarchy and register system. So because you are going to do by subsystem, so system you don't need to look. You go by subsystem. Okay. So all these are all the subsystem for OCTP project. I got 855 subsystems. But for PTSC, maybe 400, maybe less. Okay. How to see your PTSC or Canva is you go to hierarchy, construction area. Okay. This one are all on modules. So very easy. So when you are concentrate on certain module, for example, you want to see for MM1, you double click. Okay. WinPCS and Windows same. You one time double click, you close. Left click, left click, you open up. Okay. So you close. One click, you highlight, you choose. Okay. Double click, you open. Okay. And also right button click. Right button click is what I call is a reporting menu. If you click the right button, okay, you must highlight first, one time. Okay, one time highlight, right button click, you see this one reporting menu. Okay. For you, you can see report, view, you cannot see edit and disconnect. You can see but you cannot do. For me, I can do. If you got this one, you click this one, I die already. Okay. 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 MM1. These are all the systems that are required for you to hand over for MM1. So I got how many? I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe this one maybe 30, 40. Okay. So you have to concentrate on 40 equipment, 40 subsystems to hand over. But sometimes, for example, like PAGA won't be installed by PTSC, right? It's by Cosworth. Yeah. Cosworth will install, right? So maybe inside here, maybe this one doesn't belong to PTSC. Maybe we will install. We install. Yeah, we install. Oh, okay. So the tag number will be inside. Yes. But the data register will coming from Cosworth. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And this is now I got is instrumentation and cable. So all this transmitter already have idea. Same thing. Anything you double click you can see. For example, if I double click MM1, I want to see the subsystem. I double click MM1. Sorry. I double click MM1. I can see the subsystem. Okay. Then I want to see the component on the subsystem. I double click again. So if I double click 230901, I double click inside nothing. Okay. I double click pick launcher 090201. I got the pressure gauge here. I got the RO. I got pick signaler. If you double click again here, pressure gauge, then I got my ITR here. These are my ITR associate. Same thing. Okay. So RO I don't have ITR here. Okay. I got no ITR here also. Okay, then I haven't attached. Okay. Sometimes one equipment I can have 2 ITR. Doesn't mean every equipment have ITR. Some equipment only ITR. For example, my thermowell. Thermowell only ITR because the ITR will sit on the transmitter. Because thermowell is will welded to the pipe. So no need ITR. That one will be covered under piping. So when you put a transmitter, then the transmitter got ITR. So when you look sometimes you ask, hey, how come there's no ITR for thermowell? Thermowell only ITR. For example, like RO you need ITR. When you see, hey, I got no ITR in RO, like somehow I got click empty. Okay, you tell, send me a mail or send to Banaji or Simon, say, hey, this item, we require ITR for this item. So we will test ITR for you. But sometimes you see, maybe pressure gauge, I put, see, pressure gauge, I put I04. This control panel is wrong. It's supposed to be pressure gauge transmitter. Now it's wrong. Say good example. You say to me, hey, this item is wrong.
Yeah,
Should be changed. He tell us, so we change for you. So I will upload the data. I will put the idea based on our experience. Then you guys going to validate. Then you tell me, oh, this is wrong, this is not right, this is wrong. So we fine tuning. So we need your input. I will do the first phase, input everything. So you do the validation. Validation means you have to discipline lah. For example, who instrument do their own instrument thing. Mechanical, but MM1, MM2 mechanical only got 5 items only. 4 or 5 items.
So when you finish when you finish assign the idea for the task,
correct.
Can you export to the Excel?
Can.
Provide the task list and
can. No problem. You see, for example,
yes.
For example, I got this. Okay, right button click. Okay, I go to the tag first.
Yes.
Okay, you double click, open up, close. Okay. After that, right button click. This one is very important. You always use this one all the time. This is what you want. Report. Okay. For Canfa and PTSC, only look at A3. You can look at A2 lah, A1 lah, doesn't matter lah, but doesn't belong to you, no need lah. Don't waste your time. Okay, A3, click. You can use two options. How you do it? You right button click. Okay, report. Either you double click, also can. You double click, also can. Double click, also can. Okay. Or if you're not familiar, you right button click. Report. Okay. You go A3. Okay, multi-discipline, okay, include all section, okay, same thing. So, okay, every time you run a report, you always got these three options. The module, the single module or the single subsystem that you choose. Multiple means you can choose few. For example, I want MM1, MM2. I can choose together, run the report together. Or, I run all. All means all the module, everything. So there's good and bad. If all, you don't know how many, but the good also, if you run all, you can export the data to Excel. Then from Excel you can filter. You can make your own database. You can build your own database. For example, if you who is in charge, the manager or supervisor, I run all. So you make one column. So you know, responsible who, responsible. So we can straight away send. Okay, this is your item. Do this is your item. Do this is your item. Do. Okay. If multiple, okay, actually multiple. Control key, I can choose this one. Control key, this one, this one, this one. Or you can drag. Left button click and drag. Same as window. Okay. Or you can choose one also from there. Okay, I want MM1, MM2. Okay, control key. Then I click OK. Report will run. Okay, when you run the report, okay, when you run a report, every time you run a report, okay, I show you one report. I run all. So easy for you. Okay. All. Okay, I take all. Every time when you run a report, this menu will come up. Waiting. So, you saw this button here? Red button, red color. Okay. If if the color is still red, sometimes report is fast, sometimes report is slow. Depend on the internet. If you see the report still red color, means the report still running. So you have to wait until you see this blue color. If you see this blue color, right, that means report is complete. It's ready for you to take out. Okay. You can see after this. Okay, total now MM1, MM2. I got 135 ITR. For now, the number will go up slowly. Maybe few hundred more.
We cannot enter with the rest color, right?
So now because I only do the instrumentation, so I only got 135. Okay. You want to take this report up, this format also can, no problem.
So the question is the tablet will be generated by
I will always go to the e-room, I will take all the checklist. Your cable schedule, your instrument index, your manual bar, your PSD.
It's not come from us, right? It's come from the research team, right?
No, come from you. You upload to e-room.
Then
I will take from the e-room. If I see any division C1, starting from C1 onwards, I will use it.
So
you can pick up, then you can write one column beside the tag list, what subsystem. If you can help me that one, very fast. Because I'm one person. I got 2% only in Singapore doing this. You got 15.
But for
Hydro test, same. No, hydro test you must give me a subsystem. Because I already give you the boundary. Because I don't know, okay. For hydro test, I must be very careful. Because the boundary can cross from one subsystem to other subsystem.
Yes.
Means you want to run the whole line. Okay? But there's a break here. There's a buff or there's a
break class.
So you can do your single test, but your test pack must be two. One subsystem, one subsystem. But your record, your graph, your traceability, your NDT can be same. You photocopy same, put into same. Only paper we need to. This one, Mutu will come and Jyoti will come. Explain and teach you the test pack. But you must always remember, when you do your test pack on the boundary, you cannot cross over system. For example, system 63 go to 62. Cannot. You must break. But
we can do
you can do the same. You can do the same because same pressure. You can do one test.
Yes.
But the record you must copy into two records. So one here, one here. If the live test is long, your test is long, hydro test. I got system, for example, okay, I give you 2307. Okay, there's one break. Then 2308. Okay, let me see. I show you one good. I give you one. One boundary. Some old boundary. Not new boundary. So example, I take the cargo pump. Maybe cargo pump not related. Okay. Oh, can see. Can see? Cannot see. Okay. See? Maybe your test line is from here to here. So this one is one subsystem. One subsystem. But you can test one time you test. But your test pack must have this number, one test pack and another test pack. Can be the same line, no problem. But you must have two test pack on your register, one test pack, one test pack. But you can do the same test.
Anyway, we need to break down the voice and the limit.
The limit, correct. So you can do the same thing. During your hydro test, you can do the same. You can do one pressure, one test. But your test pack register must have two. This one we cannot have because you know why? If I have one here, if I got only one test pack, okay, the reason why if I can only one test pack, if I put a test pack on one this subsystem and I can put another test pack in this subsystem, I got replicate data. For example, I got PO1 and PO1 same. So my number will be double. Cannot. So I have to split the test pack.
So we need to put the test pack in the subsystem or not?
Subsystem, yes. By subsystem, if the test pack cross over the subsystem, you have to split the test pack. But your test, I cannot stop you the test. You can do one test. But when you do, because your graph, your hydrograph, your test pressure, everything can be the same. So you can do photocopy, same. Put one here. No problem.
If we need to change the test pack name or not?
Test pack must be different number. Must be different number. For example, this is my test pack, right? Okay? See, this is my test pack. Okay? My one test pack, this subsystem. Okay, for example, 0101. So my another test pack, this number. So different number. But your record, your attachment can be the same. Your NDT record, your what? Should be the same. Like photocopy, you can copy. But test pack cannot copy. Test pack must be individual. So that one must remember, very important. Because we will reject because we get audited if the test pack cross over boundary because you're all hand over by subsystem level. If you give one test pack, then I put one place here, my numbers will be double. So I got duplicate number. So that means if you do test pack, if you, for example, if you do one line, three subsystems, but only got one test pack, actually it's only one test pack. But the management top got three test pack because three subsystems. So very dangerous. Okay. So but test pack, don't worry. The guy, the test pack guy will come in. He sit close. Then how to develop the test pack. Right now he's in China. Okay. Okay. You go back here. Same. But after you run this report, right? After you run this report, you can export to Excel. Easy. Okay. Okay. This one you must always remember. After you export to Excel, you always have this. Okay. Got an equal sign, open and close. Every time you export, okay, I go again.
Is that format?
Yeah. Everybody same. When you have this report, okay, this is the Excel. Yeah. This button here. Yeah. Transfer data to Microsoft Excel. If you click this, automatically, you got this button here. Got this column here. You see? This one is how WinPieces and Excel talk. So don't worry. What you need to do, make a habit every time when you export any data from WinPieces to Excel, you go to the corner here, okay? You choose all,
And
okay?
reply.
You copy, sorry, you copy and you paste value, okay? You do one time, after that you can remember already.
Okay.
Because the equal and open close is a function. Okay, then after that see, all gone already. No more. No more. Okay, remember so you must remind the others. Every time you export them from here, you can filter. Then you can filter by subsystem, you can filter by ITR check sheet, so you can filter uh, by modules. So you can use WinPieces, also you can use Excel. So benefit. So Excel you can do your own database, you can do your own report, your own graph from Excel. Excel is very powerful. That's why we start to put Excel. But be careful, anything coming from Excel is not authenticate, means genuine, because you can type your own data. Anything that coming from WinPieces is official. This report here. Okay, let me run here.
Because on the move from S30 to 1030,
Okay.
so we can switch the rest to system noon.
No, I'm going back again. On noon.
Noon?
Yeah.
What time?
12 o'clock. Fly back again. My flight 6 o'clock. They will return at 4 o'clock.
Có hôm nào? Còn cuối
Wanna go?
nhưng mà có máy thiếu.
Máy chiếu thì mình lên này đi.
No, never mind. You can access. You ready? Everybody got laptop.
Okay.
You can see no problem. I can give you no problem.
We can
Nhưng mà thằng này người thì bảo là
okay, vào okay, we have the small room
Okay.
yeah, over there.
Oh, somebody must come in.
Yeah, this is
đâu rồi, hồi nãy nó mở system bao nhiêu đấy? Hồi nãy mở chỗ này.
sao máy này nhìn fancy ấy.
Nó dán cái tấm hình kia để người khác họ nhìn. Anh nhìn không dám lại tấm hình đây này.
Đấy, nhưng mà cái quay đấy nhá, anh cái này kêu nó kính nên nó giảm cái độ sáng nó ảnh hưởng đến
Ghi âm lại cái ấy đó, ghi rồi. Xem không? Xem không? Come over here.
Okay, we go there. I like robot no, right here and there. Okay,
You need to relog by your.
No need, never mind. Same.
Okay.
Same thing. Same thing. Okay. This one, okay. WinPieces are very good. For example, you got one here already, right? Okay, I close. Sorry. Okay, one here already. You can open up another one. So you can run two WinPieces.
Okay.
What's your password? So easy. Yeah.
Because read only.
Correct. Sometimes I always give the same name and the same ID, but some people don't like. Okay. See, I got one here. I got one more here. So you can run two WinPieces together. For example, if I running report a lot. I run report, I run one. So report running one. So this one I do my checking. Okay. You open up one first. Okay. Okay. As I mentioned before. Okay, construction area. Okay, we go to MM1. Report. A3. Multi-discipline. On. Okay. MM1. Can see? Can? Okay. Number one,
Yes, sir.
Okay, export. This one very important. Excel, Excel. Every time you run to Excel,
So I need to copy, right?
no need. The copy and paste value.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah.
Come on, không có điện, hồi đó nó không có điện. Số công ty Excel
Cái nào hỏng hơn.
check
Very long. No, although it's computer, the computer. This one is Windows 10. It's very big, very good.
Big, sometimes it's not good.
That one small also no good.
Really?
Really. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
So you go to the corner or Control A lah. Control is
Yeah,
Control All.
Yes.
Then right button click, copy and
Paste the
paste
value.
value. Where's value? Paste.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3 here.
Value. Okay, paste value. So no more.
Okay.
See, no more the open and close because I want the function lah. That's how we business stop. So from here we can make a report. Okay. Anytime. No. Okay.
How to open one?
One. Okay. You want to open one I give you example. For example, you run this already.
Yes.
So you want to open one. This one You copy. Control C Then you go engineering. Search for item. Paste. Then you go to direct to the IT. So when every time you do a search come out this small menu here. So you click this button here. This one is to open the hierarchy. She will tell you where this equipment. Okay, this equipment will sit on which subsystem and gas compression. But he will never tell you from here. He never tell you which module because the hierarchy is different. So but okay, still okay.
But from here we cannot see is the sign off or not.
Can. Okay. See here. You can see right.
You see.
Okay. You from sign off. Okay. You see the icon
Yeah.
You see the icon. Now the icon is. If you see, cannot double click also. Okay.
Yeah.
If you see the icon, okay. I give you system. Now you see A3. If by looking at the icon, you know is sign off or no sign off. You see now here, nothing right. If I give you example, where is it? System 99. Okay. Because sometimes the icon play very good part now. Oh no, sign off.
So that means the color outline.
The color will change. I show you how the color change.
Change from blue to.
No, blue to you can see an small OK sign there. Okay, let me see which one. Wait, all this mess up here. If you run all that means you go through the whole subsystem. Everything. So sometimes it's good supervisor run all. Then every morning you run all and you know how many. From there you can calculate how many. You can do your own report. How many instrumentation, how many piping, how many mechanical. Okay, this one
There any way to get the database direct from the
Right, okay, right.
See, you see that's okay sign here. You look only, so this one is sign off already.
But you can see inside.
Can, right button click. You open, you open information section. Okay, you can see the sign off copy. Come on.
No. Internet.
You got PDF right?
Yes.
You try one. You go to system 110104. 0401.
I check for M1.
M1 How come your one cannot open up the PDF? Should be okay already.
Maybe it take time to download.
No, because I got some problem. I got PDF. Some computer you need to restore the PDF. PDF reader. What your PDF is what Adobe, yeah. Should be okay. Should be okay. Because I got few in China, same. The one in China. So the PDF doesn't work for her. Try, and last what no? Reformat the whole thing. Then PDF work.
But if it not say yes, we cannot see the template here.
Then you cannot see the if the check sheet haven't scanned in, you cannot see the check sheet. Please, ayo, open. Open up already. It should open up for you.
But cannot.
Yeah. Okay, I take my one up. Okay. This one my one should have.
The same thing with the with TCS sending here. We cannot.
Cannot.
Yeah.
No way. Okay. Wow, today there are so many challenging. What the room cannot always okay. Yeah. Can. Okay, never mind. Wait, later I show you example. How should have okay. Can see Okay, I run a report. Okay. I run a report subsystem.
Show issues.
Okay, you see still red color, right? That means the report still haven't finished, still running. Until you see this one turn to thick blue, then you can see the total number. Now the taxi has one timing here, no timing, 000, means it's still running. So you wait. Sometimes report, now report is very fast because database very small. Wait report, database few thousand, more slower. So if you're running Wi-Fi, worse. Okay, don't want to wait, I start first. Okay, now you see, got timing already. That means the timing come out, that means full, the report is running. I stop because I want to demonstrate only. Okay. Open up. Automatically, see? Soft copy, sign. Should have. So maybe you reinstall back. Or you try. Anybody who got problem, if everybody got same problem, WinPCS problem. If you can, he cannot, he cannot, it's the computer problem. If everybody got the same problem, means WinPCS problem. See? Or sign in. Okay? Okay. I don't want to, okay, I show you, to show you how the thing run. I log in the local one. This one I can disturb. This one not the full copy. It's not the server one. Okay. I give you example MM1. You can see okay. Your ITR. Your ITR analyzer. See. If I click, okay. You see, it's okay. So you look only. Oh, I know already. This one is finished. Is already.
Why they are marking here?
No, this one is not the actual server. This one is my local one for training.
Why there two?
Okay. Why? Okay. You know why there's two? Okay. Because there's a double verification. We put one is this one I still talk check and unverified means you check but Nissan never certified. I can still go on. Yes. Okay, you can see one okay there. If that means PTSC sign, Nissan also sign. I verify okay, means I got double okay. Means two verification same as punches. I need two sign. PTSC sign one punch.
Nissan Sun One Punch, then I can say okay. See, so okay sign. So if you run a report, A3 on this, okay, this only, I take only one subsystem. You see, I run a report, finish. I take my one, you see, 30, I complete 2 already, outstanding 28. So 6.7%. I can go by report. Okay, how to do this? Simple. Okay, now MM1, right? You can go by MM1. Run a report, right button click. Okay, A3. Multi-discipline. Multi-discipline depends on, okay, for example, you mechanical. I don't want to see instrument. I want only see mechanical. I just click mechanical. So anything got mechanical will come out. Piping also same. I want to see only piping. Yes. I don't want to see anybody. Okay, I just click piping only. My baby. But supervisor, manager want to see everybody. So if for me also I see everybody. Okay. For just now instrumentation. So instrument, I run instrument. Okay. All. I include all check sheet means complete and not complete together, so you can see the difference. Sometimes also this one, this item 3 and item 4, maybe I will change. I will talk to David Hamilton, because before David Hamilton come in, I talk the Jyoti, he want check and verify, and one okay and two okay, but maybe Dave Hamilton maybe thinking different, so this one might change. Maybe I only got not okay, not started and completed, that's it, very easy. So only one box only. I will ask him, then I will tell you guys. Okay, yeah, include all, and then one. See, very fast because I'm running local, that's why very fast. Okay, this one, okay, this report is a total report, line by line, single item. See, I got one item, two items. So if I take this item, this is lousy. I haven't set this item. Okay, if I take this, because I haven't set the reporting, you can see, one line, one line, one line, one line, one line. Okay, so this button, every report got this button. This is called summary report. Okay, summary report, the blue calculator. Okay, summary report. Then you can see how many. Okay, I got total 86 instrumentation. I only complete 2. I balance 84. Wait, let me confirm first. Okay. 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 Complete only 2. Okay. That means, okay, I cannot report anything that coming from win pieces here. This is genuine, because why? This is genuine because why? Sometimes we can fight. For example, Kanfa and BTSC. BTSC come, how come this? I already send out the report. This report say I haven't complete, but I complete already. So you just look at the bottom here, the date stamp. Who run the report? At what time? Maybe 3 days ago, he give you and fight. They say no, this report is very old. Where's your latest one? You can print the latest one. Then when you print the latest one, today's date, oh, finish already. So this one can save you fighting later. I know, later you come far and PTSC show fight. That is normal. Like for me, I also and you will show fight. Same. Okay. But this one anything coming, because this report you cannot do anything. Okay, you cannot. It's PDF, so you can print, then you can save to PDF. You cannot do anything. But this report we can save to Excel. Same thing. Okay. And copy, paste value. Copy, paste value. Okay. Then you can run from here. Good. So okay. After that, this is the always you gonna run. Okay. This one all system, edit, performance standard, no need to think. Okay. Performance standard okay, performance standard because your ITR is here. You go here, okay. A3. Okay. This is all. Okay. Every time when you want to see the whole list, for example, I go to area, okay, MM1, okay. 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 You want to see you go to this item here, okay. I want to see the information inside the item, okay. Everything same, right button click, I view property, okay. These are the property inside. PNID number, Okay, this is the, I think the termination drawing. Okay, data sheet number. Okay, IP rating. Because you see, if from your register inside empty, my inside so empty. So if you put more information on your register, inside will be also got more information. Okay, like for example alarm high, alarm low. Because I got a lot of information that IS barrier we don't have, but we might, you see where I get this information from, your data register version C1. So anytime you can find. I say, oh, this information I don't have, how come you have? So we look at this information here. Oh, okay. But you know what, imported by me. But now for this project, everything you can see my name. Because I'm the only one importing. So if anything problem, it's my problem. Okay. This information. So you see all blank, right? See, I got hookup drawing I don't have, installation drawing I don't have. It's good to have lah. Because with this you can build a data sheet. You see, okay, you see this column here? This one? Record, okay? My data sheet. I can make the information become a data sheet. So it's very good. And also, soon, not yet you see this panel, if the drawings already come in, I will attach every individual equipment to the drawing. I click here only, straight away you can see the drawing. Open up. There's a hyperlink. Hyperlink, open up, see the drawing. Okay? And also, you just do experimental, I just play. You just click this one, doesn't matter. For me, okay. This one green, okay. For you, you only can see the gray icon, gray table. Gray table means I do whatever, so no problem. Okay? But for me, green. If suddenly you play, you can see, hey Jamal, I can see my green icon. You tell me, better tell me, because will affect everybody, tell me, I trust you guys, Hey, I got green, I got green screen, Oh shit, you got deadline access. Okay, I can, because no, some projects, if you very competent, you can give, but this project is very strict because ENI is very strong. Because ENI know me business very well. So now we problem with ENI. The audit, every time audit, you see now today, QA side also audited. Only few months they audit already. So the system they gonna audit. So they gonna check everything. So we have to be very careful.
What problem with it?
ENI will ask so many things. This one, how come this one? How come this one? How come this one? They will ask they will audit us every time. Audit very much.
Để nó làm chuyện chính đi.
They will audit us very much. So I have to be my quality must be very high. So they will see how come your data is very, now they keep asking how come your data very small. I cannot say, oh, PTSC haven't give me the data. Not nice, right? I said, so we still developing. So we protect each other. I said, oh, PTSC still A1, still A2, we cannot see that also. Okay?
Hey man, how about reservation? How can I get the register for on the equipment?
The what?
For reservation and
Reservation, okay. So you okay, Ken? Very familiar, Just play. Okay, I explain a bit more. When you open up this menu, you click this button here. Okay? These are all the instrument equipment inside MPCS. So you can if you got time, you can go slowly. Oh, this is my one. I want to see. Okay? Every table that you go, every table, okay. The table will sit on engineering here. Okay? For example, for you mechanical, mechanical got two place. One is kit and one is mechanical equipment. Okay? The skid, because big skid, inside got few equipment, few pumps. So coming as a skid. Okay? Like mechanical equipment like your crane, your pit launcher, your signaler, your pump, motor, will be inside.
You know, the list of the equipment is sufficient. Is it all the equipment,
No.
If anything in lack of equipment.
Correct. That's why I will always take equipment from your side. Your mechanical register, electrical register. If and nothing inside the register, I got nothing also. So if you got additional one to add in, you must add it to the register, because every week I will look at all the register of PTSC, transfer, everywhere. If I see straight away, because I upload C1, I got my record, then suddenly, oh now C2. C2 must be additional. I straight away will override the C1, become C2. So the data will be ongoing. So I don't know whether we will send a report maybe they will say, okay, I will send a email to you guys. Okay, I already upload C2 revision. So verify. I only can upload, but I cannot verify. You only verify. Because verified, for example, as I say, you verified whether ITR correct or not, whether the information is sufficient or not. So you must tell us, oh, this sufficient or enough, this sufficient, we can add. You got one Lisa M, you know Lisa M, right? You can tell her, okay, I need to add this, I need to add this information. For example, I need to add the temperature here. Okay, no problem. The more information, better. Better, okay? Okay. Same as test pack, okay? Test pack is under test pack under piping. Piping test pack, okay? Total now I got 69 test pack. But test pack is to know your test pack or not, the front cover. MTP is marine test pack. I don't know whether we want to put PTP or VTP, we don't know yet. Maybe put PTP for PTSD.
It's no problem.
KTP for Canfa scope. Then Singapore scope we put STP or something. So when you run report, so you can see, you can know.
But we can name the test pack.
No test pack, test pack you need yourself. You see, these are the standard we're going to give you. Okay, you have to follow exactly the same. For example, okay, PTP. For example, here PTP, subsystem number. CD is the service number. For example, your service line, chemical line. Okay, then the numbering you can give number, any numbering you can give, but it's best to give the number sequence like 01. For example, I got chemical line. Chemical line I got maybe 20 test pack. I put 001 to 020. Then another test pack, cargo line or different line, I put CO dash 001 to 020. So this test pack must be standard. So we send you a test pack template to see how. But the information, the test is okay. I can show you one test pack template.
Nó về đặt lại tên đi mày.
I give you one test pack template.
No, cái MTB này đâu quan trọng đâu.
MTB nhưng mà cái tên số 33 rồi
cái
CD
số
kia
này
đấy
là mình theo format thôi.
Okay, test pack template. Okay, the template fix. Okay, you can add. Okay, serial number, never mind. Okay, can put serial number. Date created must important because your test pack is you got one master register, everything inside. Okay, you add that, then you can have small register that you give. Okay, I need this one uploaded very urgently. You give them. So you put your line number, line size, line number, material. If have, don't have. Line from, line to important. Okay, then your PNID number, reference, because these three very important. Yes. Because PNID, because we want to know the revision number that you use, sheet number. Test pack type. Now it's MTP. MTP is marine. For you, you put PTP. Yes. So system number 51 or your one is 23. Okay, put 23. This one will change. Become 0201. 0201. This one handover actually is old one. I need to tell the guy you must remove this one.
But we cannot identify this one belong.
No, belong. So this one belongs to you. I will take this information.
But no,
but this
belong.
What letter this?
Module what?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can know.
We cannot identify this one belong what module.
Oh, you put one column.
One module. Okay.
What module? Then I got this piping. No, never mind. Subsystem number will tell me which module already because I already got this one. Yeah, I already got this one.
This one subsystem.
Area, see? I know this one belongs to which module. No problem. And then if I run here, simple, I run report, I run piping, all the test pack there. Okay. So this one, or you want to put which module also can. Add one more column, that location. I put MM1, MM2. You put one more column, or you put at the very end, area, yes. MM1, MM2. Very good.
Can you send me this?
This one I will ask the Mutu to send you. Mutu is the test pack piping engineer. When you send the test pack to him, he will review again whether to see whether the confirm line correct or not. Then he will say to me, okay Jamal, upload. You see this one, he review. That's why he put it. Before that, see so many. Then he test the line. I think he will review. Don't worry. Test pack, because test pack is very strong. We have to be very careful test pack because everybody will look at the test pack. Test pack is very important. And other areas also same lah, but I don't know why people like to see test pack. That's why test pack is very good. Okay? Same thing. Okay? For example, now you want to see mechanical item. I want to see MM1. What are the items at MM1? I don't want to see the ITR. No. ITR means equipment attached to ITR, because some equipment there's no ITR. Okay. Okay. That's why you run this report here. Report called E1, component listing. That means every equipment that you all submit, right, we attach to the what? Okay. So MM1 I run MM1 until discipline MM1. Okay. This one I haven't set up the report yet. You go to the same MM1, right button click. Which one? You go to the
beginning. Where?
Oh, okay. You go to the any subsystem. Same. Any module, same module. Report. All this okay. A3 you can run from here. Preservation, equipment, everything you can run from here. Same. You only choose which one you want only. For example, later on we got site query, we got TQ, we got management of change. All will be inside here. If you can run report A3, you can run B3, you can run E1, you can run E2. Right now E1 I haven't complete yet I still
Not yet published.
not yet complete. See, I cannot run. See?
Yeah, I cannot.
Same, cannot run. If that means sometimes you cannot run, you tell me, Jamal, this report you send me a mail, this report not functioning. Then I have a look. Maybe my coding is not correct, because now I change a lot because of the new manager. They want this, so I have to change. That's why last time I got no this. No, that's why last time don't have this one. That means you have to go through the whole subsystem, then choose yourself which module you want, which modules belong to which subsystem belong to which module. You have to go yourself. But I created this one, so very easy for you. Very easy for you. You can run from here. More report will come in. So you must tell me, you must ask, you must tell what kind of report you want to add. Maybe if we can add, we add. If I can try to do, I do. That's why. Then after that, one more here project. This one I'm doing now. For example, Canfa Siemens, Vietnam Siemens, Vietnam PTSC. Okay. Right here, I can run the whole for Vietnam scope. Very easy. Okay. So far good.
Yes.
Yeah, good.
How about
Yeah.
this
Bottom?
Don't
Below
care.
bottom? Don't care. You know why? This one is last time 16-bit, now 64-bit computer. Last time, okay. Same function, you see right, button click right. Right, report right. Okay. This one same function. Report. Same. Because last time you need to drag, drop. Now because everybody using Windows, left, right, very familiar. So we develop more. Right button click better. No need for you to I want to drag close here. This one you got no mouse. Oh, you got your mouse. Okay, same.
for touch screen?
Touch screen same. My okay, touch screen same. Same. Cannot work.
On it. Not correct. Đây con thử con.
That's very long. Okay, drag drop.
Cannot
Touch screen lousy.
Okay, now
First cannot.
we only in here.
Concentrate on top.
Concentrate here.
Yeah, here.
Here.
And engineering because search button, because
Okay.
you cannot remember everything. So you know the tag number. Okay, I give you one.
For example, for one instrument, equipment, what information I can find in Windows?
Everything. Okay, for example, you want the information instrument.
PNID also.
PNID also have.
Hookup drawing.
If I got hookup drawing, PNID, termination diagram, everything I will try to do. I will try to put in. I will do, but that one big job, I know. But that one don't hope But PNID confirm have hookup and termination and what that one if I got time I can do it. Because if everything I put here problem why you know? E-room no more function already. So I big trouble. They will scold me. Everything you put here, then nobody use E-room. We spend so much money on E-room. Problem was correct, right? Correct. But
No need.
correct, no need E-room because I don't need, because you know you want to download drawing, you go E-room, okay, save, download, then take out. This one I right button click, open up immediately. For example, you see, Yeah.
Link everything.
Link everything,
together.
correct, link everything, all inside the server. E-room have to go e-room, find which OTP, which what, then after that right button click, save. Then if you got 50 drawings, 50 times you have to go there. This one straight away, oh, my instrumentation, okay. If I see instrument, whether I got the, don't have, yeah, let me see. Don't have, I haven't, because all new drawing, so all drawing, that's why I don't have. But later on, hopefully maybe end of maybe first week of December. Boundary drawing that's this week. Okay. No, boundary drawing tomorrow week. Okay, end of November. Then you can see boundary drawing. Okay. I will add one more here.
Okay.
Add one more here, boundary drawing for you.
For example, next month the PV tech will starting to sign in the cheat sheet.
Correct.
For MI2. So how can I know how much cheat sheet for MI2?
Yeah, same. You go here. MI2, right button click, report, entry, run, all, run MI2. Right now nothing. No record file, I don't know. So when information come in, you can see because now we only do MM1, MM2 first because that's the first. First have. Okay, preservation. Okay, preservation. You must give me when the equipment arrive already. To start or not start.
But when some equipment arrive,
never mind.
inform
Correct. No need on. No need on.
Mm.
If you got arrive, you got two equipment also.
I
Send me
only
to email.
inform.
The month two equipment arrive this date. I want you to start the preservation now. When I start already, only one time no. I start already. Every 4 weeks you don't need to think anything. The girl will come clean up, give you preservation. Go do. Easy,
the girl will read out and
correct. You also can run preservation. See, run preservation schedule. Because you see,
but so why so many?
No, so many because sometime week 44. Because you preservation you cannot start together one time. If I put 150 equipment together one time, 4 weeks later another 150. Then how to divide your time? So you need to split. You need to be smart. For example, now I got 30 items coming one time. Okay, 30 items. You split the 30 items. You put 10, 10, 10. I start this one 10 this week, 10 next week, 10 the other week. So when I start 10, 4 weeks later, 10 4 weeks later. So every week I got preservation. Every week I got preservation.
What's this one for? Each week
of
the month.
Week of the month. So we go by week 46. Sometimes the calendar right got week 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 1 month got 4 weeks. So they will calculate for 4 weeks. Week 44. Week 44. Now this week is week 45. Next week is week 46.
Why no? This one 45 or 46.
No, because the calendar. If you see the calendar, some calendar they got a site got week. Okay, 1 year you got 52 week.
Yeah.
So you count up 1 year 52 week. 52 week. So now this week is week 45. This week. So next week already week 46. December 25 to 31 is week 52.
Một năm có năm 2 tuần bắt đầu tuần đầu tiên là mới nó thứ nhất.
So this one, so you don't worry. So you don't worry. This one will automatically generate for you. If you see yellow, that means
Sao em biết được? Mà thằng này chưa biết đâu. Em 4 5 tuần làm sao biết năm em chưa tuần kiểu gì?
Okay.
But
Preservation schedule you must tell me. Okay, for you same thing preservation booklet. This one I showed you yesterday. These are the requirement. This one is you don't have 100% do one by one. No. Only guideline only. Guideline means maybe this one can, this one can. Okay, enough. As long as we trust, Insan must trust PTSC. So we trust you. Okay, you do your job. You sign off already. Insan also sign off. If Insan sign off, that means he okay lah. Problem is problem, not your problem. If Insan sign off, that means if problem, I will find Insan. I won't find you. Correct. Because I only look at Insan people. Okay. Good. Can? You ask me, can you please check it or not? I give you good example.
Where the register for this one? Register for reservation.
What register?
Yeah, for all equipment. What do equipment we need to do reservation?
what equipment to use.
Yeah.
That one up to you. You can use for example, for your electric motor, you can use the light, or you can use the preheater.
What equipment in the platform or in the module you need to do?
Oh, that one I don't know. That one is up to you which big, usually is major equipment. Your transmitter valve no your small valve, manual valve no need preservation. For example, your pump, major pump, your skid, major skid.
But in the guideline we have many I see almost the equipment we need to do. So
You want to do everything?
No, I don't want to do everything, but I see so in your guideline. Not
No,
everything.
no. The guideline is guideline only. You can follow. The one is that guideline based on experience, past experience. Past experience. But you don't have to. That's why the preservation you must tell. We cannot say, oh, you must do this preservation, because preservation usually we do the major equipment, because preservation got warranty. This one preservation, you don't worry. This one Simon will sit down and have more discussion. Simon, preservation, don't worry first. He will tell you what equipment preservation. He will get the whole list. Then he will see if required or not required. He will see. Okay. I show you this one. You know why? That's why. Okay. Later. Okay, right button click. Why you cannot print? You see? There's no barcode here. Okay? No barcode, right? For you. For me, I got barcode. Different, right? If I see that one, I reject. Okay? Be careful, see, all this one automatic. No need, you no need to key in. Last time your old program must key in, right?
No.
Automatic as well.
Yeah.
Oh, good already.
Do you have a teaching template?
Oh, template, don't worry, inside the system. Wait, who's that? Simon will give, Benaji will give to me or to Kanut or the Kanfa side. They will give the template. They will give you a template.
Yes.
Don't worry. They will give the whole ITR listing. Don't worry. Then you can do. But this one, all same. Singapore same, China same, Batam same, Vietnam same.
In the business software, in any function that can export all the templates of ATR.
Can no, what do you mean? To export all template. Can, but one by one. So we give you one big shot. We give you one big file. The whole ITR we give you template. Because you have to go up one by one. See, you go here. Sorry. Then you have to click a performance standard. That's it. Now cannot. Now I log because it is not start yet. Yeah. Template you go one by one. See now got oh, this one not functioning first. We go 2 or 3. So one by one, very I got hunted over, no. So we will give you maybe someone give you today afternoon or Monday. Monday, okay. So play. This one have button, okay. WinPC is good. You can open up many menu. I open up one here, I open up one there, okay. Then I open up like this. Okay, I open up like this. Okay, so you want to arrange nicely, right?